thing I like to do is apologize for no video last week. My job decided we were doing overtime. So by the Sunday that I was done, I was just too damn tired to go out and do anything. I slept most of the day. This weekend, been a little freed up, took care of business, and here we are. Had to go get some new broadheads because I smashed 2 of my arrows yesterday. One went into a tree, the other one, I think I found pieces of it. I haven't found the entire arrow yet. I'm not used to shooting on angles with my bow, and I really should, compensate for that by target practice today. But we'll be out hunting later, and we're going to try to do a self-filmed hunt. I got close again. I know I grazed her. She's licking her leg. So my guess is maybe pieces of that arrow are in the, sorry. Pieces of the arrow might be in the bog or the marsh, come to think of it. And so yeah, I had to go to Fleet Farm and pretty much got new broadheads. Hopefully they work. They better for 30 bucks. The last one were $12 Walmart specials. The arrows were cheap too. So not surprising they bent and broke when they hit something. I have 2 arrows left. Hopefully they'll get me through the rest of the year. I gotta stop hunting stumps and trees. Actually get some meat. And yeah, where we're at this morning, it's a cool 46, 48 degrees right now. It'd probably be awesome to go out and hunt today. I kicked one out yesterday again. I've seen deer every time I'm on the property. I've always hunted in public land, so I know the bane of doing so. And you barely see anything, but I've gone through more gear this year just because I've seen the deer and taken my shots. Shooting at a live animal is so different, and it's been some years before I've actually taken a live animal. Last time I did was out of necessity, and we won't tell that story on camera. All you need to know is I was stranded on a mountaintop for a few weeks. I did not see any sign of my grandfather. I had no transportation, and I had to go out. There was no choice in the matter. So it was a little easier then because I had a rifle, but still got rifles and stuff, just not that time of year for it. We got like 5-6 months of bow season here, and yeah, so you'll hopefully be seeing this video on Tuesday. I also have to go Tuesday and sort out a few things with my bank because they're ignorant or dumb or whatever you want to call it. Basically, I made a withdrawal and they didn't take it out of my account. So it's either they didn't take it out or somebody's missing something. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you later. We're going to be hunting later in the evening, and that's magic time. That's when I've seen them. That's when I get closest to them. Maybe I'll take a few other things with me today. I don't know. I had to go and super glue these heads into my existing arrows because, as soon as you hit a branch or something, they automatically start coming out. Of course, he's got the washers on them, so I might not even need to do that. Like I said, I've been hunting as cheap as possible, and it's just time to actually start spending money into hunting gear. And now that I have, access to a property, I can also target practicing with the bow more, even in the offshoots, because my aim is there, but it's not exactly dead on where I want it to be, and I don't want to end up, wounding an animal that I can't retrieve. That's a big part of ethics with hunting, especially the type of hunting I do. I don't sit in a stand all the time. In fact, I don't like tree stands. I have a rock near some oaks I sit on, but that's about it. Other than that, I'm stalking and walking. But anyways, we're going to try to self-film this hunt today, and I'll catch you guys later. We're just coming back from town right now. So a little different motovlog today. I haven't really been riding a bike at all. It has been too cold for me. It used to be gun-ho, hop on it right until it snows, but I'm getting to the point where I'm slowing down and I want to live life a little bit. Incorporate my heathenry into the lifestyle. Hope you guys like what you see on the channel. comment, like, share, and subscribe for me. It helps me out greatly. And I'll catch you guys in a bit. It's going to be hours for me, minutes, seconds for you. Catch you later.
two right there. Yep, there's two right there. Meh. Meh. Went off the swamp, the other one went that way. Went off the swamp. See if there ain't one down here we can kick up.